Hi everyone, Denise Brown, leading edge real estate team, Remax up in Whistler. How are you today? I am bringing you your March Whistler market update. I'm going to first do a comparison between the Q1 2019 time period compared to 2020, and I'm going to start with the average number of active listings. So last year we were at 315 listings, and the average for this year is 356. And in fact, you'll see in my next part of my presentation that we've continued to see a considerable number of listings continue to come on the market. The number of sales at this time last year was 131. For this time this year, for the Q1 2020, is 110. The average sales price is very interesting. Last year it was $1,455,213. And this year it's very similar at $1,477,613. The reason that is that Q1 2020 is close to Q1 2019 is that we've had actually 21 less sales, but there were more at the luxury level. So that boosted our average sale price. And in the last part of March, interesting, the average days of the market has increased from 62 days on the market to 77. So the average number of listings has gone up, the number of sales went down, the average sales price stayed about the same, but the average days on the market increased. If we look at each month independently, January, February, and March, you'll see the changes month by month. So if we look at active listings, January was 342, February 352, and March 365. So we're continuing to see properties come on the market. Now, people have to sell sometimes. It's not just a wish that they want to sell or playing around with the market. They have to sell. Sometimes it's a relocation. Sometimes they have, bitten off more than they can chew and don't want to continue on. Perhaps it's a Airbnb situation where they're not getting the rentals anymore and they've just decided that they will sell. That's more so the end of March, I would say. But I'm seeing in all price ranges properties coming on the market. So the number of sales in January, 34, February, 44, and in March, 25. So we expected the number of sales to go down, and it's happened. The average days on the market, January is 79, February is 84, and March 58. Now that's an interesting number because that's the actual days on the market in March decrease. And the most interesting is the average sale price. January was $1,124,821. February it went up to $1,356,602. And March ended up with $2,025,376. And of course, as I mentioned in the Q1 update, it was really related to the large sales that happened after March 15th that were over 5 million. So there were 5 sales that turned unconditional after March 15th that were in the $5-6 million range. So they really boosted the average sale price that month. So very interesting data. If you want to click the link below, I will have the information either in the newsletter, or you can click the link and I will send it to you via the VIP newsletter list. I hope that you have a great day and reach out anytime. Denise Brown, leading edge real estate team up here in Whistler. Have a great day.